Hi, I'm Martin Byrne from Business Protect. When I'm setting up income protection for business owners, I often go through the scenarios of whether you should have executive income replacement, which is life of another company income protection, where the company takes out the policy on the individual, or whether you should have personal income protection. And quite often the answer is found out by discussing what would happen if you couldn't work. And there's usually two scenarios. If you're a consultant and you are your business, and actually the client relationships are all with you and you can't work and no one can do the work, then what you're looking to do is replace your income. If you're working within your company and actually what you want to do if you can't work is go out and hire someone else to go and do the work so you can still generate a profit, then quite often we'll put executive income replacement in place. Now that comes into the company as a trading receipt, so you don't want to put it in place if you're planning to just pay yourself a salary, because you're going to have to pay tax and national insurance on top of that. Whereas if you have a personal income protection plan, okay, it pays out less, typically 60% of the average of your last 3 years taxable income, but it pays out tax-free. So knowing what's going to happen if you can't work and whether you're going to hire someone else or whether you just want to replace your income is usually the deciding factor on what type of income protection you're going to take. That's the kind of things we'll discuss with you at Business Protect to make sure you're making the correct, informed decisions. Work hard, sleep easy.